Few days back, there was an event at my place, and by God's grace, everything went very good and everybody was happy. So while leaving, my uncle told my mom everything was well prepared and well planned. Everything went very good. Congratulations. My mother, being a spiritual lady, said it's all God's grace. He's the one who did everything. And my uncle said, yes, it's God's grace. He drives everything, but the driver is a human being. Preparation is the key. So you have well prepared everything. That is why everything went good. And this is what a businessman, an entrepreneur needs to understand, that the preparation for the business is the key. And today I'll be telling you how you can see how prepared you are for your entrepreneurial journey. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna, and as an edupreneur, I have been talking about entrepreneurship education. Entrepreneurship has two things attached to it. Number one is skill development, and the other is business creation. Business creation is something that needs preparation, and we'll see how you can prepare yourself. How can you measure your preparation before you move ahead with your business? Keys I'll be giving you today is to measure, to analyze, and to see how prepared you are and what sort of business you need to do. For that, identify yourself. An entrepreneur is the centripetal force of the whole business or the entrepreneurial journey. He is the force that attracts, keeps everything attached. The gravity, the magnetic effect, everything is in entrepreneur. And that is why he needs to see what is that magnetic character in him. And this magnetic character can be analyzed if the person analyzes himself or herself. Self is something that we measure using 5 P's: passion, potential, personality, parents, and purpose. We have given the details of all these 5 P's in the previous videos, and the link is attached in the description. I would suggest you to go through it if you have not seen what is yourself or identified yourself. Once you have identified yourself, your second key is identify your why. Why you want to do whatever you want to do. And your why is a reason that gives you innovation, that gives you different paths. I'll give you an example. I went to one of the colleges to teach B.Ed students, and my question was, why do you want to do B.Ed? One of the students stood up and said, because I want to teach students. Then I asked her, why do you want to teach students? She said, because being in the authority gives me happiness. While teaching, I am the authority, and that authority gives me happiness. Now I said, it means to get the position of authority you want to teach. She said, yes. Then I asked her, why do you want to stay in the position of authority? And she said, because authority gives me power. Power. Now I asked her, why do you want power? And she said, I want power so that I can lead a fulfilling and satisfied life. So it means power is her basic point of going into the teaching. Now, it means teaching is not the only thing she can do. There are many other things that she can do to get that power of being an authority. That gives her myriad ways of choosing a career. Yes, after B.Ed, teaching is one, and then entrepreneur is second, and then coaching is third, career consultancy is fourth, opening a business is fifth. There are n number of things that opens up for her. But being in power is her basis, her reason to do certain things. In a similar way, if you want to know what you want to achieve, you need to know your why you want to do. I would suggest you an exercise for that. Write the question, whatever you want to do, just write that and ask yourself why the above. Why 1? Now, why 1? Then ask yourself why 2. For that, again, the answer, ask yourself why 3. Why 5 is your basic reason of existence, your basic reason of doing the first thing in first hand. And once you know your why, you can achieve anything. You can have new ways, you can have innovative ways of getting things done, and you can basically remove the problem as well. Identify why. Why is basic point of whatever you do. Once you have identified your why, live your why. Identify what are the different options that your why leads you to. Now once you see what are the different options that your why leads you to, for that I can give you one method. Number 1, identify your why 1 and then see in the scale of 1 to 10 how much it matters for you. Then identify your why 2 and again in the scale of 10 check how much it matters. Why 3, why 4, why 5. Comparative study of 5 whys will give you your basic reason of existence, your reason of why you want to achieve whatever you want to achieve or why you want to do that. Now once you know yourself, your why, your comparative why, then the 4th step is understanding. After understanding these three things, you can start your business on the basis of your self and your why, because that would give you the best path to move. Remember your why. In a business, you are the centripetal force, but still the circle around you is very significant. It has to exist, and for that to exist, you need to know the needs and wants and likes and dislikes of your clients as well. So before starting the business, you need to know your client self also. Not only yourself, but also your client self. We'll be talking about the client self in next few videos, and I would request you to go through these to understand the needs and wants of your clients. I hope this would prepare you for your business, for your entrepreneurial journey, and that is why I say be happy, because happiness is the key most of the time. So be happy, be entrepreneurial, live the life of abundance. And if you want to pursue more of unboxing entrepreneurship, keep liking, subscribing and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families and fellows. Thank you.